Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. Then access background apps. Following that, you need to tap on the icon of your app and select split screen. Then click on home button and tap on any other one. I will go with settings. As you can see, finally I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!